33% reservation for women in West Bengal. This is complete solution. Women empowerment is essential, and increasing women's participation in government jobs is an important public policy goal. But there is another side that also deserves attention. Thousands of general category male job aspirants in West Bengal have spent years preparing for competitive examinations. They face limited vacancies, delayed recruitment, age pressure, and growing financial uncertainty. The real policy question is not women versus men. The real question is, are we creating enough job for everyone? A strong public policy should expand opportunities, not merely redistribute limited vacancies. My appeal to policymakers is simple: support women empowerment but also increase overall recruitment, conduct timely examination, and ensure that every deserving candidate get a fair opportunity. A balanced policy creates gender justice, employment security, and social harmony. What do you think? Share your view respectfully in the comments.